oh my God, wheel spin. Come on, M5. I'm going to beat the diesel car, come on. I've got all the revs. I've just about got it. Oh my God, once this thing's going, it is nuts. I thought that 140i was going to do better than that. It got beat by the diesel 840D. That thing just launches brilliantly though, because it's got all-wheel drive. This is rear-wheel drive, so is the 140i, so it probably struggled for traction a bit. Man, when this is going, this is mental. What an engine. I love this engine so much. So then, what exactly happened? Well, the E60 M5 did the standing quarter mile in 12.8 seconds. The 840D took 13.1 seconds, and the M140i took 13.6 seconds. Now we can have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour, all locked in third gear. I'm going to call it in. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, this picks up beautifully. Naturally aspirated engine. But the added torque of the turbos shows. And it's very close between me and the 140i, but now I'm taking him. And that's the end of that. I actually thought that the 840D would do better because it has the most torque, 680 Newton meters. That M140i has 500 Newton meters and this has 520. So I think until we were over legal speeds, that M140i was ahead, but then this did just pull it back. Now we're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we reach the cone, full emergency stop. Let's see what happens. I must say the gear changes on this auto are horrendous. It's like lurching about the place. Anyway, is it going to be 3 for 3? The E60. Cone! Come on! Yes! Oh, I don't know. I'm going to have to check. I really don't know. Beat the M140i, but I don't know about the 840D. Oh, damn it, it's super close, but I think the 840D actually stopped in a shorter distance just by about that much than this E60 M5, which is bizarre because that 840D is actually the heaviest car here. It's 1900 kilos. This is 1850. And that little M140i is actually just 1500 kilos, so it should have done better. Clearly not got the brakes.